Everyone in the industrial sector is seeking new advantages and improvements to deliver ultimate operational effectiveness. Industrial lubricants are supposed to protect your key components from wear, minimizing unplanned downtime and maintenance costs. But within conventional lubricants, the lubricant's additives are sacrificial. They get used up and need to be replenished. And even though they protect your equipment, there's still wear, and breakdowns eventually happen. To understand why, let's take a closer look at the metal's surface. Under the microscope, even the smoothest finished metal looks like this. With conventional lubricants, a small minority of the surface area supports the entire load. More pressure, more friction, and more damage. Conventional lubricant additives protect these contact points by forming a protective layer, but the top layer is continually worn away and damage still occurs. Fresh additives need to form a new layer and additives get used up. The more damage and pitting there is, the worse the problem gets. Castrol's microflux transplastic deformation technology and TGOA additives take a different approach, called plastic deformation. It actively smoothens the surface without depositing or removing material, rapidly providing a protective layer with a high lubricating effect. With increasing load, this protective layer is compressed, becomes even more pressure resistant, and at the same time improves the coefficient of friction. As the pressure increases further, special additive components migrate from the deposited protective layer into the structure of the metal surface, initiating the micro-smoothing effect. The micro-smoothing multiplies the load-bearing surface area. That means less pressure, less friction, and less wear. And the lubricant's additive are non-sacrificial, so you don't need to replace the lubricant so often. The result is increased protection and lower maintenance, lower energy and lubricant costs, and less unplanned downtime. Equipment lasts longer and can work harder, making you more productive than ever. Castrol products with MFT PD technology provide best micropitting resistance when compared to the global market leader's product. Castrol's MFT PD technology is in use now with impressive results at plants all over the world across different business applications. If you'd like to find out what it can do for you, talk to your Castrol lubricant specialist. Castrol MFT PD technology. Find out more at www.castrol.com.